Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome students of Year 7. This is the lesson overview for Week 4, Period 1. We begin with a knowledge recall. So speedos, recite 3 verses starting from Surat Ar-Rahman, verse number 26. Runners, recite 3 verses starting from verse 37 of Surat Ar-Rahman. And flyers, recite 3 verses starting from verse 43 of Surat Ar-Rahman. Do your recitations after clicking the green plus sign. We are continuing with the topic The Pleasure of Life, which is based on an explanation of verses 26 to 53 of Surat Ar-Rahman. Our learning objective for today is to analyze the overall meaning of verses 26 to 53 of Surat Ar-Rahman. In order to achieve this learning objective, students, that is you, should be able to discuss the understood meaning of verses 26 to 34 of Surat Ar-Rahman if you are a speedo. You should be able to discuss the understood meaning of verses 35 to 42 of Surat Ar-Rahman if you are a runner, and you should be able to discuss the understood meaning of verses 43 to 53 of Surat Ar-Rahman if you are a flyer. So how do we get there? By completing the tasks on your activity sheets. So head over to Y7U5L1 Activity 2 under Assignments, follow the instructions and complete your tasks. This is how your activity sheets will look like. If you followed the steps correctly, you would have achieved your learning objective. Next, we head over to Nearpod and jot down whatever we have learned. Remember that the purpose of this board is also to share with the other students what you have learned, because each of the levels, the flyers, runners, and the speedos had a different topic to learn. So head over now to your assignments and select Y7U5L1 Period 2 slides and carry on working step by step. Once you are done, that is what you are required to do today, and our lesson ends for the day. So jazakumullahu khairan wa barakallahu feekum.